Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. It's getting a little bit interesting, at least. We start to see a little bit of impulsive movement to the upside. Back out of our trend reversal area here for this B wave. There you go. To the upside. And it's starting to look interesting. I said yesterday I need to see a break above at least the X wave high to confirm a low has been made here in this B wave. Now we are getting there. I wouldn't call it a break yet. Essentially what I see here is a potential 5-wave move up. That is a good start because in this C wave to the upside of a larger degree third wave, we are waiting to see 5 waves essentially, right? So this is a 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Let me change the wave degree of this. But this is what we want to see, 5 waves in wave C. And I have a decent impulse here. I mean, this looks impulsive, yeah. What I don't like, let me just check something. Let's go to the 1 hour. It could be. Let's measure the fibs. 1, 2, 3. So let's measure the fibs because I want the wave 3 here, yeah, to be the 1.618 extension target of the wave 1. So the tricky bit is probably here. So I don't have a 1.618 where whatever I measure, it's not a reliable impulse at least, okay? Because, I mean, how would I label this? I would say, okay, we have a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potentially. Maybe this was a running flat. I mean, this is probably the 1 second. Just need to think. A, B, C, 4, 5. So this could have been a wave 1, or could it have been here? 4, 5. Potentially, so that we had here a wave 1, but this would have been an extremely shallow wave 2 with a running flat, not reliable. Then this could be 3rd, 4th, and 5th. But I tell you why that is less reliable. So first of all, obviously what we're just checking is on the micro level, do we have a 5-wave move up, and what would be the support for a wave 2 pullback to trade, for example, the 3rd wave higher, and what is the level it needs to hold. So yeah, I have potentially 5 waves in this wave 1. The wave 2 is too short. The 3rd wave is too short. So it all doesn't really add up, okay? Fibonacci levels are much more important than just simply putting waves somewhere. So I'm not happy with this. I'm not happy with this as it is here. What I would potentially be happy with is if we say, sorry, I'm thinking and talking at the same time. It doesn't work, obviously. That we get something like this. This is a more reliable 5-wave move. That means we would need 1 more higher low and 1 more higher high. Why is that? Because obviously I could label the wave 1. I can label the wave 2. The wave 3 would be a 5-wave move in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 3. Now a wave 4 and a wave 5. That would also solve the problem with the Fibonacci extensions, because then it should reach, 1 second, the way I have it now. I mean, saying that, it did reach it, didn't it? Sort of, but a little bit too short. Here it reached now the perfect area. I mean, there are probably a couple of ways how this could be labeled. Yeah. This here would probably be my preference, which would mean we get 1 more higher low and 1 more higher high for a reliable 5-wave move. I would give it a chance. If it comes back now for a deep pullback, I would give it a chance, the benefit of the doubt, and would say, okay, we've got potential 5 waves up already. But either way, this is micro counting. What is more important is the fib levels, right? The ratios, the relevant support. So either way, I would say if it now comes back for a first pullback, I would say we had 5 waves. If it comes back now, it's probably a less reliable 5-wave move up. If it makes one more higher low and one more higher high, it's a more reliable one. And what is important now is to track relevant support. If it comes back in a deeper retracement, what is the level it needs to hold to confirm that we are really in this C wave? And that level would be 253. And whatever it's doing now, I don't want it to go below 253 again. If it does, it wouldn't be a disaster. It would just mean more choppy price action. It would then mean that this B wave was likely never finished, but it has now come to a level where that continuation in a B wave gets less likely, in my opinion. So it's starting to look interesting. I think all eyes now need to be on that 253 level. If we pull back, I think this move up at some point here, we should get a retracement as we headed here on the way up as well, yeah. And then we can look at continuation in this C wave. So hopefully I didn't bore you with that micro counting. Just wanted to do a little bit of live labeling, sharing my thoughts while I was doing it to keep it a little bit interesting, because the Natgas chart is boring. Well, today we at least see a little bit of movement. So exciting to see how this is now carrying on. The red zone on the chart, by the way, is structural resistance. So I would call it a valid breakout above 288. That's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.